Restoration.
I've been really trying, baby.
We're about to head out to a job site to do electrostatic disinfection of a private residence using the Clorox 360 machine and chemicals. So what this allows us to do, as opposed to traditional wipes and sprays, is it's electrostatically charged. So particles of the chemical are attracted to surfaces with forces stronger than gravity. So basically, instead of spraying and just wiping down the top of a surface, when you mist it with this chemical, it actually goes underneath, behind, into all the cracks and crevices of the surface, ensuring a better clean, a better disinfection. We take this stuff very seriously, and that's why we're only using the best kind of chemicals and machines. So I'm opening the drawers just in case the homeowner at any point grabbed a pair of scissors out of the cabinets, grab some disinfecting spray, whatever that may be. If the doors are closed, there's less of a chance for the chemical to get inside and disinfect everything, so I like to open all the drawers, all the cabinets in every room. So big thing about this chemical is that your electronics and your plants are all safe. You don't need to cover them, take them out of the house. They can all be disinfected without you having to worry about ruining them, breaking them. It doesn't make the best noise.
No, God!